All right. We just finished weeks on graphing and slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is this. Y equals mx plus b, right?
Yes.
What is slope-intercept form?
Y equals mx plus b.
Y equals mx plus b. And we were able to look at it and say, this is where I start, and these are my moves, right? We were able to graph some lines. Are you going to eat that banana right now while I'm talking? Okay, thank you. Are you paying attention? I am taping this.
Okay.
Please don't walk in front. I'm taping it, and then I'll have to start over. So we're just a few minutes after the bell, again, with no pass. All right, so we're looking up at the top. It says ax plus by equals c. This is what your new equations are going to look like. But when I look at that kind of an equation, I don't know how to graph it. So I need to be able to convert from this form to this form. I want you to write this down on your paper. Everything I write, you write. Ax plus by equals c is called standard form. Write that down.
Okay.
What was the fancy name for y equals mx plus b? Do you remember? Slope? Slope-intercept form.
Okay.
All right, so we are going to get an equation that looks a little bit different. I'm going to give you the steps. If we follow these steps every single time, we're going to be able to convert from standard form to slope-intercept form. You with me?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes.
All right. Here we go. Our first step is that we are going to draw a line over the equal sign. That's to give me a right side, left side. Okay? Remember, my goal is to get this y all by itself. When you get a number by itself, in fancy math terms, that's called isolate. We are trying to isolate the y. To put it into slope-intercept form. Do you need something to write with? Is that what's going on here? Here you go. All right, draw a line over the equal sign. Then, we are going to move the x term, that would be this first one, with addition or subtraction. So we're going to do the opposite. So if it says plus 2x, how would I move plus 2x? With a minus 2x, right? What if I had minus 7x?
Plus 7.
Plus 7x. I'm going to do the opposite so that I can cancel it out on one side and move it to the other. You with me?
Yes.
All right. So then I've still got my by. So then I'm going to divide by the y's coefficient. That step will get my y all by itself. When I divide, I need to divide every term. Okay? Let me know when you have this written down, and we'll get on to our first example following these steps.
Okay.
See a lot of pencils moving. Good, good, good. You got there?
Yes.
Okay. Here is my first example. That's crazy paper. All right. So for my first example, I don't even like that. I have negative 6x plus 5y equals negative 10. That doesn't look like slope-intercept form because I don't have the y by itself. I have some number, x, plus some number, y, equals some plain old number. ax plus by equals c is what you're going to see in a textbook, okay?
Okay.
Those really don't help me at all. I can't graph that. I don't know what that looks like. Okay? So I need to get the y alone. What was step one? Piece of paper.
Draw a line over the equal sign.
Yeah. Right side, left side. What is my step 2?
Move the x term with plus or minus.
Yes, move the x term with a plus and a minus. Here's my x term.
Plus
Plus
Yeah, it
6.
says minus 6x, so I'm going to move it with a plus 6x. And I'm going to put it over here, too. These cross out. That's right, Jonathan. Woo. All right. So, now this is gone. What am I left with over here?
5.
5y
5y.
equals. Now, it's very tempting to just bring this down, negative 10 plus 6x. But remember, I want to have y equals mx plus b. So I want my x term to sneak up into the front seat. Okay?
Yes.
I'm going to put this guy right there. Watch y. So I have 5y equals, move this guy to the front, 6x minus 10. Because that's starting to look kind of familiar. It's starting to look like y equals mx plus b. I got my b on the back, right?
Yes.
All right. What is step 3?
Step 3 is divide by the y's
The
coefficient.
coefficient. What is the coefficient of y in this case? 5.
5.
Yeah, I need to divide by 5 because right now these guys are stuck together with multiplication. So I need to divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. Every term. Okay?
Yeah.
You with me?
Yes.
All right. Divide by 5, divide by 5, divide by 5. Beautiful. What am I left with there, Jesse? What's 5 divided by 5? That just cancels out, right? So what am I left with?
No y.
Just y.
Right.
So y equals, these numbers are fine to be a fraction because remember that's our moves, that's our rise and run. We actually want a fraction. Woo! We're happy about that. 10 divided by 5. What do I have there?
5. Negative 5.
Wait a minute, what's 10 divided by 5?
2.
2. So I'm going to have minus 2.
Okay.
Now I've got y equals mx plus b. Hey, we know this guy.
Okay.
What is our slope? What is our m?
N is 6 over 5.
Yes, 6 over 5. Those are our moves. What is our b?
Negative 2.
Yeah, negative 2. Do I know what this graph looks like now?
Yes.
Yes.
I do. It's going to go at negative 2. 1, 2. From there, what are my moves?
6
Up
over
6
5.
over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Right?
Yes.
I know what that looks like now. I didn't at the beginning because it was in standard form, not slope intercept form.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Are you calling someone on your calculator? That's cute. That's cute. Are you paying attention? All right. Okay, that's it. We have a worksheet today. The answers will be posted on Google Classroom beginning at 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay? You may work with a partner. Good luck.